Do you want to hide your hidden photo album on your iPhone? If so, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to protect the privacy of your hidden photos with just a few steps. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to easily locate and hide the hidden albums and photos and make sure they stay out of sight. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Photos. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see an option called Show Hidden Album, which is toggled on. The hidden album will appear in the Albums tab, under Utilities. So in order to hide the hidden album, simply toggle this off. And now if you go to the Photos app, tap on Albums, and scroll down, that hidden album is no longer visible. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.